But there is one issue. You are getting string cannot be converted to integer. Now, why did you convert the grade to integer? Because you know grades are going to be in numbers or years, right? You will have mathematical values for that, not text. When you are entering mathematical values, integer, float, you cannot write next line. You have to write next int in place of line. You have line L capital.
Yeah.
You will write next int in place of line. Next will be there. It's common and I capital. Now run it. The only difference here. If you want to add name, next line. If you want to add numbers or grade, next int. Very subtle difference. Write the grade, and your next grade is 5. Okay. The very, very small, unnoticeable difference. All right. Still, you have to make that correct. Okay. Understood? Next question.
Yes.
Next question. Take up a float value from the maybe your percentage, maybe your height, float value, weight. Float value means you will have something 8.7. You are writing your age, right? Can you take up 8.7 in that form, not in the text form? 8.7 as float. Can you take that up using this scanner, using input? Let's see.
All right.
Yeah, let's see. That will be the next one. Okay, good. Take up that 8.7. If you want to write age, then age is fine, but take up that in that decimal form, in that float form, not in string form. Next, age is okay. That's not an issue. But remember, this is not going to be integer. This is going to be the decimal value, right? 8.7. And what else? Here you are correctly changing this to float. What else should be changed? Very good. Your understanding is very nice. Okay. Let's see if it is working correctly now.
It won't yet.
Okay. Why yet?
Because the others was still grade.
Okay. Let's see. That is not working issue, right? That is one text issue. What you want to print. That is not a working issue, right? It can still work. Maybe the text will be incorrect.
Oh, why did I correct? And I have to write everything.
Yeah, you will be writing everything. Okay. Next, write your grade then. You will get. Okay. You're 3. Okay. And your age 8.7, right?
Wait, delete actually works.
Well, looks like it worked.
Oh god, next. I forgot to remove that part.
Okay, that is not an issue, right? That is just a mistake. That's a minor mistake. It works, right? You can now take up decimal values as well. It's a good thing, right? Okay. All right. So you're done with all of them. Okay. And okay, we're done with all of them probably. We don't need anything more. Right? So next question. Take 2 input from the user. You can download this one, download this and keep it, and then go to a new file, all right? Okay. Refresh the tab. You can refresh it. If you don't want to do commenting every time, you can just refresh the page. You have the downloaded, right? Read it from there. Okay.
No, I just copied it.
Yeah, okay.
I
If you
never
want to
added
copy,
it.
if you want to copy it, copy it. Doesn't matter. Your question is, you will enter 2 numbers, and no, not 2. You will enter 3 numbers, and you will check whichever is maximum out of 3.
Whichever is bigger.
Yes, I think we did the code for bigger, right? Yeah, we had done that in your initial Java classes. Okay, do the minimum,
Then let's
whichever
do
is
smaller.
minimum. Yeah, smaller. Take 3 input. You will have 3 numbers as input, and whichever is smaller. You will print
This stuff
whichever
is
is
used.
smaller.
This stuff is used.
Yeah. So the question that you are going to solve now is a standard 9 question. All right. So just imagine the kind of progress you are having. The question that you are going to solve, taking up 3 inputs and finding the minimum of them, is a standard 9 question. All right. Whenever you are going to learn programming, this is a standard 9 question. So you are already far ahead than others.
Thank you. Thanks to you.
Yeah, but first do it. Let's see if you are doing it correctly.
I will.
Okay.
Oh god. So closed.
You will be taking input from the scanner, right? I'm not talking about these inputs. You will have to take the input
Oh.
from the scanner. Yes, it is a
Oh,
standard
that's
9 question. Yes, you can use this one. Copy paste doesn't matter, but do it correctly. Okay.
Good thing I copied that, or else I had to go through a lot. Well, actually, I have no idea what's going to be the question, so I'll just do this. Well, that's how to make 2 integers. So I can delete these things.
Okay, then. Okay, you don't
I
want to
copy.
message. You have to
I
give one
copy
message,
this. I know what I have. What? Yeah, I'll give one message.
right? Okay, then what? You have two variables. Then what?
I do.
You have written next n. It should be next int. The previous one. You have written next n only. All right. Change the name of the variables. Both of them are having the same names. Okay. Yes. Hello and nt.
Same thing as. Oh wait, I forgot. You're guessing how I'm going to do. How I'm going to write the third one, right?
Yes. So it will be the same as np, right? Number three.
No.
Okay. You are adding one h. Good. You are adding one h. Fine. It's good.
The
Now
three
for the
variables.
messages, you have to put messages, right? Enter the first number. Enter the second number, like that. You have to put messages.
Can I use if conditions?
No. Why will you use if here? You will use if after you have got the values, right? You will have to put the
Oh.
first of all think how the program will run. You will see write the first number or enter the first number, then enter the second, enter the third. Then you will start with if, right, after getting all the values. So
Oh,
first of all,
yes.
print the messages, entering the numbers. All right, enter instead of writing you can write first number, maybe enter first number. Like that, enter second, enter third. So you will not get confused. Or anyone else will not get confused.
I was planning to do again and again.
Okay, next, enter the second message.
Here's a fact I think I already told you before.
What? What did you say?
Here's a fact I think I already told you before.
What? What fact? What fact?
Yeah, that I think I already told you before, but I'm telling you again.
What?
You know you can find second breakfast in the periodic table. You can use the element letters, like the first letters and second, to make second breakfast.
Yes, I think you have mentioned it before. I don't remember the exact thing,
Yeah.
but you have mentioned it.
Yes.
Yes, I don't remember what it was about, but you have mentioned the
You can-
second breakfast. You have mentioned.
Yes, you can find second breakfast in the periodic table.
Okay, I'll check. I think I was
Well-
supposed to check before, but I didn't
Well,
check.
you can
I will check.
you can spell second breakfast with the symbols of the elements.
Okay, you mean like SE. Oh, C will be for carbon, O will be for oxygen, like that. N will be
Yeah.
for nitrogen. D will be, what will D will be for? D is there any element with D?
I'm pretty sure there is.
Okay, I'll have to check how second breakfast is getting spelled. I'll have to check.
Well, you can find breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast. Okay, I
Second.
can find it. Okay, I'll check. I'll check how we are getting that. All right. So now we have got three numbers, right? You will now check whichever is the minimum number. You will print it.
Like this it is. I can
Yes. Start with your ladder, if else if ladder. Whichever's the minimum number, you will just print it.
Oh wait, I made a mistake.
doing it. Let's do.
If why should if be there? There's no need of if there.
Okay.
There is one thing though. You are printing the messages after that next int, right? So what will happen is your cursor. Okay, do one thing. Run the program and give the final brackets and run the program. There are two brackets for the main and main class, function and class. Two brackets, ending brackets. Give them. Yeah, give
I
them and run the program. You will understand what I'm talking about.
forgot those.
You run the program. You will understand what I'm talking. See, your cursor is there waiting for you. There is no message. Yeah, if you don't give these things, just give one
Hey.
number. Okay, go back, go back. Give one number. Okay.
Being crazy.
See, there is no message here. It did not ask you enter the first number. Now it is asking after you have entered it. You're getting my point. You have to place that message before calling that function. That message should always be before calling that next int function, not after. For everything, for every number input what you are taking, it should be before calling of that function. Okay. So that you don't have this weird message after getting the value.
Oh god. No, what do we do about that? Okay, good. Oh no.
Okay. What will you do next? You will now, okay, you can check it. After you are done checking, you will run the if else if ladder, right? So let's say 1, 2, 3. 1 will be printed as the minimum number or the least number. So run the ladder. If what will you write inside them? Okay, not in caps.
Oh god.
Good. You remember this and very good. You are not going through the program and still you are remembering these things. Good. So you're definitely going to get a homework today.
Mhm.
Even without practicing, you are remembering these things, right? So you are definitely going to get a homework.
Yeah, that's kinda, but I'll still copy this. I'll still how to copy this.
Yeah, even though you are copying, you'll have to change, right? Next int, next line, those things.
Yes, but at least I copy the import thing and some
Yeah,
of the
that
other stuff.
everyone copies. That's why I told you don't have to remember it. Understand it. Where we are using import, where we are using object, name of the function. Everyone copies it in the end, but not now. Now you will write it. Yeah, you will copy the import part, of course, but not the next line or next line. That part you will write it for now. Okay, so number 1 will be the minimum or the least number.
Use both hands to type and go faster.
No, I just have to copy this and paste it 2 times.
Okay, okay. But you'll have to change, right? You'll have to change the logic.
Kinda.
Not the exact thing. You'll have to change the a little bit of things. And don't forget the brackets. You have not copied the brackets, I think.
Wait, you
Yes.
did?
No, where are the brackets? They only copied the opening bracket. You did not copy the closing brackets.
So this goes to the step, but then the main thingy does not have a bracket, so
Put a bracket for
that goes.
the first if and the second if. The last one you already have. Yes. And for the first one. Okay. Then remove that line from there. And the first one also.
This is the. No,
No, put the bracket down. Yeah, now it's okay. All right, now test it. If everything's fine, I think you're done with this, right?
no, I'm not.
Your
Even the
logic
thing
is-
tells you.
yes. Your
Even the
logic
thing
is-
tells you no.
What? What? What?
Even the NO tells you no, we're not done yet.
Oh, okay. Good.
Mm.
All right. So that was the third one. Okay. Now test it.
No.
Yeah. Okay. You still have the second one left. Okay. All right.
Now we can finally test it.
Yes. So this is the first time you will be entering the numbers through the console. Up until this time, you were having variables inside the function, right? This is the first time you are entering numbers through the console, through input that you did from the first class in Python. Now, this is the first time you are entering values in Java instead of just having variables. Okay, so this was okay, this was correct. And now, okay, go to your wherever you write your homework and take up the questions. All right, so the prime number was not done, right? Did we do the prime? Yes, we
No,
did.
we did done.
Yes, yes, we did
We
the
did
prime.
the
All
prime
right, all
number.
right, all right, all right. So now your question is, write down the question, go to that homework page and write down the question. Yeah, the first homework. Okay, first homework is take one input number. Take one input number. Input number and check. And check. I think you are now good to go for this. Check whether it is a palindrome or not. PALIN. PALIN.
No, it is. What are you talking about?
Whether
Oh,
it is whether it is
Oh,
a
whether it is.
palindrome or not. Whether it is a palindrome or not. Okay, so what is a palindrome ratio? Let's explain that. Any number that is the same going from left to right or right to left is called as a palindrome. Example 1 2 1. If you start from the left, it goes 1 to 1. If you start from the right, it is still 1 to 1. 1 2 3 2 1. If you start from left, 1 2 3 2 1. If you start from right, 1 2 3 2 1. So you will check if a number is palindrome or not. All right. And yes, you will take up the input.
No.
Okay, you will take up the homework. All right. I mean, you will take up the input from that console using scanner. If you want to write it right down, use scanner or use input. Okay, for this question, use input. You will take the input and then check whether it is palindrome or not. All right. Next question. Write this down. And next question. Next question. Go to next question. You will understand, right? Use input means to use scanner. Okay. All right. Go to next question. Next part.
Wait, I'll go to the next. So, okay, I'm ready.
Okay. Take one input string. Take one input string. Input string. And let's see. Input string. Okay. And count and count the number of letters in it. The number of letters in it. Okay. Only 2 is fine. Do these. I'll meet you on, today is Friday. I'll meet you on Monday, right? You have the weekend.
Mm.
Use the weekend wisely, okay? Do both. You see, even if you do one question per day, one on Saturday, one on Sunday, that's lot. That's enough actually. So whatever you do, Rishabh, even if you're not able to do the whole thing, you're not getting the result. Don't tell that I have not done it, okay?
Mm.
Because